Well, this is the spot where I broke my freaking wrist. Actually, I was gonna fly this the day I broke it. But let's see what I can do. It's gonna rain for the next like 5 days or something crazy like that. But this is pretty sweet. This is elementary school. All right, let's get some packs in. Let's go.
Because maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. Yes, yes, you're, and you don't stop. To the beat, you're, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, you're, and you don't stop. To the beat.
I don't know if you can hear this, but these cicadas are crazy out here. Like 17 years or something weird where they come out from the ground or some shit. I don't know. But keep crashing. I can't even hear my damn drone. Man. But this place is sweet. I gotta hurry up though. I'm running out of daylight. Plus I keep crashing.
Today was gonna be the day, but they'll never throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads that lead you there were winding, and all the lights that light the way are blinding. There are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. I said maybe
Well, that was cool. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm done. Plus, I'm hungry. I want some fajitas. Oh yeah. Yep. Time to go home and study the Part 107 crap. Till next time.